Tommy's Magic Verse Kids TV.
Hey kids, let's go to the beach. Baby Shark is ready. Splash, splash, woohoo! Baby Shark, splash, 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 dancing with the happy splash. Sunny beach and ocean blue, come and dance, it's fun for you. Baby Shark, clap, 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 jump around and wear your cap. Wave hello and sing with me, happy by the shining sea. Mommy Shark brings fruity treats, yummy snacks and dancing feet. Daddy Shark plays beach guitar, everyone joins near and far. Baby Shark, splash, 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 build a castle in a flash. Laugh together, 1, 2, 3, best beach party by the sea. Grandma Shark collects seashells bright, Grandpa Shark flies kites so high. Little fish all dance around, joy and music fill the ground. Jump so high, spin around, wave your fins, happy sounds. Everybody sing today, beach party the Sharky way. Baby Shark, dance, 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 everybody take a chance. Sunny smiles for you and me, happy beach family. Baby Shark, hooray, hooray, what a lovely summer day. See you soon, wave goodbye, beach fun under blue, blue sky. Bye-bye, friends! See you at the next beach party. Wow, look at the colors! That one is huge! It's beautiful!